I'm making another stop here on the drive. I think that drive is going to go on to the Daily Roamer, though. I stopped partly because I want to fly the drone. Narcissa Whitman. This was an easier stop to make, actually. Yeah, just sitting back at that historical site, it was getting way too hot for me. I think it's getting close to 1 p.m. maybe. Heading to Chadron from Ogallala. Stopped at that historical site area. Just hung out, played with, flew the drone. Just sat, and the heat convinced me to keep moving. The whole road practically looks like it's got a water on it from the mirage. The sun is bearing down at its hottest, or at its hardest, but the heat's gonna keep rising till at least 5. This area stinks. It's like a pigsty or something. And then my car starts acting funny, like it was about to break down. I was thinking, this would be one of the worst spots to break down, out in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of this stinky area. There's people that actually live in it though. Smells like money to them. Alright, continuing to Chadron. And I've been going through a lot of sandy area. So obviously water was a big part of this area, forming the sand hills. Interesting how that works. No trees can grow in this sandy environment. It's just too loose, too much sand. Makes for a nice landscape. Farmers can't do anything with it. Well, kind of. The livestock can walk through it. It's interesting how the waters develop the hills like this. Alright, Alliance is home of Car Henge. Car Henge in Alliance, Nebraska. 8,959 people in Alliance, Nebraska. I want to check out this Car Henge. It's probably not visible from the road, so I'm just making note. I got 53 miles to Chadron. Alright, continuing to Chadron, 47 miles out. The heat. There's too much heat. It shouldn't be as hot, but still a hot one. What is that, a dead deer? I've been seeing some roadkill. You never see fish on the side of the road. Just a little curvy. It's fine. A little curvy road on the way to Chadron. Not the straightest route, but there's reasons. Oh, okay, yep. Bridge for the railroad. Just a little curvy. There we go. Alright, 33 miles out from Chadron. My gas tank is getting close to E, very close. 31 miles to go. I think there's a good chance I can make it. Driving through sandy patches that really, I guess, are, well, they got agriculture there. The farmers can work with the sandy patches. So Yeah, gas station. Oh yeah, and 109.7. Yeah, I need to look into oil change too in Chadron. Gas and oil. You know, I was thinking I'd like to go to Sturgis. That's farther. That's straight north, pretty much. So it's very attractive. And I'm like, yeah, my dad used to go to Sturgis from Wisconsin and buy shirts, buy a few shirts, like I think every year. And I think those shirts actually had dates on them. If only I could remember what those dates said on his shirt, because I can't remember when the event occurs. I crossed the Nio Ra Ra River. Nio Ra Ra. Ra Ra. Ra Ra. Nio Ra Ra Ra. Alright, 13 miles out from this city. Gas is almost on E. I want to go just straight to Walmart and then look for the nearest gas station from there. I do have a gas station marked on the GPS, but I'd rather just go straight to the Walmart and go from there. It's gotten incredibly forested suddenly. 13 miles south of Chadron, there's actually I'm running into like a big forest. Most of this drive has just been open grassland, sandy grassland, hilly grassland, some craggly mountainous areas. And the trees were sparse. Suddenly run into a lot. 4180 elevation. So I've gone up a little bit. Oh, this is the National Forest. That's right. Nebraska National Forest and Grassland. So that would explain it. It's been protected. That's why there's so many trees. It's on private property. The property owners love cutting them trees down. Shows up on the map too, now that I think of it. Wow. So this would be a more natural appearance of the landscape before farmers get their hands on it. Go from that open, boring field for cow pastures and agriculture to this. But I mean, they also pick and choose for scenic value as well. So likely they chose this to be protected because it's also scenic for the nice hills and stuff. But still, oh, there's hay bales. Still, it's more untouched than the other parts of the state. Oh my God, 70? It's 65. I'm really dropping here. Less than 10 miles from Chadron. Okay. Red Cloud Campground. Yeah, I was thinking it'd be kind of cool to try to find somewhere to park overnight in this area, but I need supplies. There's a lot of cool stuff. It's still hot here. Alright, slow down a little bit there. 3860 for elevation. So it feels like I might have left the park because there's housing again.